Sir, nag-change ako string from steel to synthetic, but parang medyo humina yung tunog. Like, hirap patunogin. Okay. So, siguro, hindi naman siguro sa lahat ng synthetic strings mangyayari yan. But, meron talagang adjustment sa pagpandinig natin when we change from steel strings to synthetic strings. Okay? So, isipin mo na lang ganito. Katok ka sa wood, katok ka sa metal, 'di ba? Magkaiba sila ng magkaiba ng lumalabas na sound, no? So, kasi steel strings are made of yun nga, steel. Ganyan, yung core yung pinag-uusapan natin, no, guys. Kasi lahat 'yan may winding na some sort of alloy or metal. May silver, nickel, copper, yung iba gold, 'di ba? May plating or may winding. Ngayon, kasi sa steel strings, of course, yun nga, yung loob niya is bakal. Tendency maging bright sounding siya, no? So, malakas din naman ang projection ng steel strings. Although, yun nga yung niya, downside niya is masyado siyang metallic ang sound. Ngayon, yung synthetic kasi, iba-iba yung core. Doon nagkakatalo sa core. No? Ang gusto kasing i-simulate ng synthetic strings, kaya nga siya synthetic, is it's man-made material, is the natural gut strings, no? Parang ganun. Yung gut strings kasi, of course, are made of sheep's gut. And ewan ko, hindi na siya usable ngayon. I mean, meron pa rin nagbebenta ng gut strings. Pero sobrang mahal. Mas mahal pa siya sa synthetic cores. That's why synthetic strings were made. Now, depende na yun sa core tsaka sa quality. Kasi, syempre, iba-iba yung materials na ginagamit sa loob. Baka yung ginagamit mong strings na yan, medyo yung gusto niyang sound na lumabas, mas dark. So, mas mahirap i-project kasi pag warm yung sounding ng strings, of course, mas siya, rounded off yung tunog niya. Parang mas mellow. And meron din namang mga bright sounding na synthetic cores. So, yung synthetic strings kasi, tinatanggal niya yung talas, yung makantong tunog ng bright strings, no? Steel strings, yan. So, may bright and may warm din. Siguro, yung ginamit mong string, hindi niya priority yung projection. Kaya parang feeling mo hindi tumatapon, parang malapit lang. So, possible na ganun talaga yung quality niya. Now, mag-try ka din ng iba pang mga synthetic cores. Pero kasi, if you're using Fuerte, I think that's around 1,000 pesos, no? It's actually pretty cheap for synthetic cores. Kasi, may mga steel strings pa nga na branded na worth 2,000. So, you can try other strings na synthetic, pero try to find yung sa description nila na bright. Kung gusto mo pa rin yung tapon ng metallic sound without the metallic tinge, or yung parang niya, makanto na sound, no? Yung metallic na sound. Yeah. So, yun, kailangan mo din mag-experiment kasi yun nga, iba-iba yung makukuha mo eh. And some people like that warm sound, no, or parang medyo muffled na in a way. Yan, mahirap patunugin or mahirap palabasin yung tunog. Now, it could also be a factor is yung violin mo. Baka naman yung violin mo is already warm sounding. So, kung maglalagay ka pa ng mas warm na strings, talagang magtutunog, mahirap palabasin yung tunog niya. So, may mga ganun ding factors. Now, if you have a warm sounding instrument, edi try mong lagyan ng bright strings to balance it out, okay? Try mo yung Yargar Young Talent na I'm currently using right now. Hindi naman siya ganun kamahal, pero so far maganda naman yung experience ko, no? So, mahirap din sa strings talaga. You have to constantly test kung ano yung babagay sa instrument mo. And of course, The problem here in our country is yung limited availability. So, kailangan meron kang go-to, meron kang second option, third option, fourth option. Minsan hanggang sixth option. Kasi hindi laging merong stock ng mga strings na ginagamit mo. So, yun. It takes a lot of exploring pagdating sa sound quality ng strings, no? Pero, yun nga, maraming pwedeng factors pa rin dyan. So those are just a few that I can give at the top of my head. Kasi nga, kung isipin mo yun, gumastos ka ng malaki tapos hindi ka satisfied. So yun yung mga possible reasons, no? So again, it's just the sound, the quality of the string, or your instrument, di ba? Yun yung mga magiging factors niyan. So sana nakatulong to. Kung may comment pa, comment lang sa baba. Kung may mga questions pa tayo. And see you on the next one.